So I'm going to suggest that the second demonstration that you do after you've done the initial one, as it starts to peter out, is we're going to do what I call the burping coin. And so I've got 3 coins that I've brought for today. The quarter is going to be the one that I'm going to pick. And if I hold the quarter over top, you're going to hear it. You might have to move it every now and then. But essentially, I call it the burping coin or the burping quarter because what's happening is, of course, as the gas builds up, it has to escape. And so it temporarily pushes the coin up. You get in closer. Now, if you want to rev it up, and so you want to get it going more, and it's safe for you to go and touch basically here. You can always heat it up with your hands, and sometimes you just have to move it a little bit in order to get it to go. And that's just the gas escaping from a confined space. Don't hold it. We always want to make sure that we don't leave it under too much pressure. About a little bit of energy escape going on there. And that's a good one to do. If you want to rev it up, then you just put a little bit more of the dry ice. Now, we do this one in order because you're going to get ice forming at the bottom of here. If you want to rev it up, you can kind of give it a little bit of a shake or a whirl, and we'll try it. Good.